India is home to one of the most successful and innovative space agencies in the world, the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO. But have you ever wondered how it all began? How did a country with limited resources create one of the most advanced space programs in the world? Well, in today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the fascinating journey of ISRO, from its humble beginnings to its groundbreaking missions. Let's go. The year is 1962. India, a newly independent country, is looking to modernize its economy and infrastructure. Meanwhile, across the globe, nations like the United States and the Soviet Union were racing to explore the stars. But in India, space exploration was still a distant dream, something unimaginable. But then, something extraordinary happened. Under the leadership of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, the country took its first steps towards space research. In 1962, the Indian National Committee for Space Research, or INCOSPAR, was formed under the guidance of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, an eminent physicist, and the father of India's space program. Dr. Sarabhai had a vision. He believed that space technology could bring India into the modern age. His goal wasn't just about rockets and satellites. He saw space as a tool for solving India's critical problems, like improving communication, weather forecasting, and even agriculture. In 1963, just a year after the formation of INCOSPAR, the first rocket was launched in India. But here's the twist: it wasn't launched from Indian soil. The first launch was from a place called Thumba, a small village near the southern tip of India in Kerala. The rocket wasn't a massive spacecraft, but a small-sounding rocket to measure the atmospheric conditions of the upper layers of Earth. This marked the beginning of India's space program. Over the next few years, more sounding rockets were launched, helping Indian scientists understand space physics and atmospheric behavior. In 1969, Dr. Sarabhai's vision took a major leap forward with the establishment of ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. On August 15, 1969, ISRO was officially formed to handle all of India's space-related activities. With the formation of ISRO, India became a member of the global space race. But the journey was anything but easy. India didn't have the cutting-edge technology or the budget of superpowers like the US or the Soviet Union. Yet, under Dr. Sarabhai's leadership, ISRO managed to develop its own indigenous rockets. In 1975, just 6 years after its founding, ISRO launched its first satellite, Aryabhata, into space, using a Russian spacecraft. This was a major milestone, not only for ISRO but for India as a whole. Aryabhata was India's first satellite and was named after the ancient Indian astronomer, Aryabhata. It marked India's official entry into space. As the years went on, ISRO's achievements began to pile up. In 1980, ISRO achieved another monumental feat with the launch of Rohini, India's first satellite launched into Earth's orbit using an Indian-made rocket, SLV, satellite launch vehicle. This was India's first successful satellite launch on its own, showcasing ISRO's growing capabilities. It was a statement. India was capable of developing its own space technology and succeeding where others had faltered. Then came the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, which became one of the most reliable workhorses for ISRO. In 2008, ISRO achieved an important milestone with the launch of Chandrayaan-1, India's first mission to the Moon, which helped confirm the presence of water molecules on the lunar surface. Today, ISRO is not just an agency, it's a symbol of India's determination, innovation, and perseverance. From launching satellites to Mars, with the Mangalyaan mission, to international collaborations, ISRO is making waves on the global stage. With missions like Gaganyaan, India's first manned space mission, and the upcoming Chandrayaan-3 and Aditya L1 missions, ISRO is ready to continue its mission of space exploration and contributing to global space science. From a small rocket launched in a village in Kerala to sending a spacecraft to Mars, ISRO's journey is nothing short of inspirational. It's a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, determination, and belief in the power of science and technology. And as India continues to reach for the stars, we can only imagine what incredible achievements lie ahead. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through ISRO's history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, which ISRO mission inspires you the most?